In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cruise control switch on this Ram 1500. Let's get into it. We're going to disconnect the negative side, use a 10mm wrench, loosen up this nut right here, and grab the terminal. Slide it up and out of the way. Underneath, we're going to use a T20 Torx Driver. Take these screws out. Slide those out. And with a trim tool, just going to pop this cover off. Pop that up. Just grab it and slide it out. You're going to turn the steering wheel one way or another just so you can access the back side of it. Now, I'm using a right angle pick. You need to get underneath, there's a clip right here. You need to get under that clip and pop it out. See, that's the clip. There we go. And as that's up, pull the airbag outwards. You see it's released. And we're going to rotate the steering wheel the other way. You can see where the other clip is. We'll do the same. And there we go. That's popped out. And then there's one more at the bottom. Grab the airbag, slide it out. Now disconnect the connectors for the airbag. Just push down on the tabs. And slide them out. Might need to use a small screwdriver. Just push in the tabs. And using a trim tool, just pry underneath the wire retainer. Just pry that off and slide the airbag out. You want to place the airbag down like this. You don't want to put it on its face. I'm just going to spin the steering wheel around. We have some screws. We're going to take those screws out. I'll use a T25 socket. Take the two screws out up top. Take those out on both sides. And down below, you're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take those screws out. Underneath the steering wheel, there's two Phillips head screws. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver and take those out. And then we're just going to pop this off. And disconnect the connectors on the side. Push down on the tabs. Now on the back, we're going to take these 3 screws out. Use a T10 socket. And grab the switch, and it slides right out. And take the switch, line it up, get the screws started. And just snug those down. And I'll plug it in. Get that lined up. Make sure the connector locks down. That's good. The other connector. And connect the other side. That's lined up. Just line the panel in place. Looks good. Just give it a tap, tap it in place. Then we'll take the Phillips head screwdriver, screw these 2 bottom screws in. All right, that's good. And we're going to put the top screws in. The 2 Phillips head screws first. Those are on the bottom. Snug those down. And the 2 upper ones. And snug those down. And we're going to connect the airbag and connect the wire retainer. Make sure the connector goes on the right side. There's a yellow one and there's a black one. Line the airbag up. And push it down, lock it in place. And the top cover, get that lined up. Okay, that's good. And take the 2 screws underneath, get those lined up, and screw those in. Snug those up. There you go. Now take the negative side, push that on, make sure it's all the way down, and we'll tighten this side. Snug that down, give it a wiggle. That's good and tight.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.